Welcome everyone. In this video, we will see how to configure IEC 104 server. To know more about IEC 104 server, navigate to Process Manager window. Click on Process, Add Remove Process. Click on plus icon, search LT IEC 104 server. Click on Open. Click on Save and Close. Right-click on selected process and click on Restart the selected process. Now, navigate to IDE window. Go to System, Driver, IEC 104 Server. Under Server Configuration, port field is used to configure port number and redundant port number of the IEC 104. ASDU field is used to configure common ASDU, that is common address of device. Max number of client connection field is used to configure max number of client connection to be allowed to this server. For tag configuration, navigate to Tag List tab. This tab displays list of tag to be configured. Double-click on tag to configure, then Update Configuration pop-up will open. Type ID field is used to assign IEC 104 type ID to tag. IOA field is used to assign IOA address to tag. Save button is used to save all the details. Enable server field is used to configure enable-disable status of the server. This save button is used to save all the details in tag database. By this way you can configure IEC 104 server.
Thank you for watching.